Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'll talk about next three altcoins. What do you ask it in the comment section? So it's Dimension, Starknet, and Engine Layer. So let's dive in, guys. Everything basically absolutely still the same for Dimension. The Starknet Engine Layer looks kind of better. So the 20 cents is going to be the invalidation of initiation accumulation pump model. But if and when we invalidate the idea, the zones still relevant. So this is going to be the zone of fixation profit. So because everything what is under 20 cents now, it's just open space. You have to understand. Now, there's no model in the world which can play like 100% with a guarantee. No, we get a condition, we get the rules, so we get a zones for accumulation, we get a zones to buy, fix the profit. So here you could buy in this block. Even if you bought it here, you could fix in the moment 40%. So yes, you be in losses like 50%, then you could fix the profit 38, 40%. If you buy in here, based on this strategy here, you could fix the profit initial deposit at least, or fix the 131% profit. Pretty simple, guys. So the main problem of this cycle, so people so greedy, they wait that reversible. So I catch exact that bottom, I catch exact that BE dip, you know. So when we hit that target exactly in that second, I press the buy and I catch at the bottom, exact bottom. So I want to lay down and just chill out and check how my USD convert to, I don't know, to crazy millions. But guys, it doesn't work like this one. It's a financial market and we gotta risk. We always gotta risk. So the good moment, guys, if we sweep the low, if we invalidate the idea, most likely we will come back and close at least 50% of this order flow. Is gonna be the, I don't know, around $1.18 or even this high, $1.58. If we drop to 20 cents and hold the line there, like Athena, for example, we can bounce, and at 40 cents, you should withdraw initial deposit. So guys, pretty simple, but keep in mind, because we got a same model, and here's a listing price on the Starknet USDT, and we dump lower. So is this the bottom or not? We can't know in a moment, right? So, but we can work with the money management. So guys, nobody will tell you the future. Pretty simple. Highly recommended, by the way. Go and check the free video and the first video about the dimension after listing. So just an education purpose. This is it. So at least if you start accumulating here, you're in a much better position than the guys who accumulated here. This is a withdrawal initial deposit zone. This is okay zone to buy, best zone to buy. This now will be the zones where okay zone to fix profit, the best zone to fix profit, then the best zone to fix profit again. And I believe in new all-time high. I believe in new all-time high. I don't think so. This is a cycle where the token will just list that, you know, and dump it and then delist it. Maybe, of course, it's possible. Yes, of course, it's possible, but it's going to be just a pure scam. In this case, yes, I need to, I want to see the regulation of full industry and maybe investigation of the venture funds. So technically, guys, everything's still the same. ADZ direction market model with indicator. So here's was the biggest accumulation, 29 cents. Now we trade at 26 and we form the warranty. So the best case scenario, guys, if we drop under 20 cents, sweep the low and go higher, build the biggest warranty ever. So here, since beginning of January, we are in capitulation mode based on market mode indicator, lay down on direction indicator. So now it's a lot of bullish signal, guys. Take a look at the trade on money power, buy, bounce, buy, bounce, buy, bounce, recommendation, close position, drop. Here's the money inflow. So whales step by step accumulate this token. So it's kind of good. It's kind of good, but we gotta always risk, guys. So something can happen. So you saw the example with Axe and like I guess 5 or 6 other tokens. When the winter mute, you just press sell by market and all tokens dump at 50%. So guys, everything can happen, and nobody could predict it. No one TA could predict it. So I repeat, the best case scenario is a sweep of 20 cents and go higher. Pretty simple. So this is accumulation. This is a money power, money inflow. This is a RSI bullish warranty, RSI bullish warranty. So kind of good one. So whales accumulate step by step. Last indicator is take profit, guys. We trade on the firm value. It's good one. Take profit line now. It's 84 cents 5. Weekly time frame, no data. 12 time frame here. Fundamental value now is 18 and 4. And here is we tested a buy line, hold a line here, and take profit 49.1, exit line 55.5. Pretty good one. Starknet, guys, absolutely everything's still the same. You know, I drew a lot of here. Where is the indentation accumulation pump model, guys? I guess this one, yes, correct. So we invalidate the idea, but guys, target's absolutely still the same. So I'm waiting. The Starknet one day will be at least $2.28, $2.44. When? Nobody knows. Can we hit the new all-time high? It's hard to say. I already explained it to you. So when you see the week like this one, in most cases, we can come back and close the 50% of this week. So keep in mind. So guys, would be good, you know, to see the 9 cents or 10 cents, you know, for the Starknet. I don't know, to form some like round number, but I'm not sure we will see. What is good? We form, you know, the like 3 rise pattern, 1, 2, 3. So usually when we form something like this one, we can bounce. Something like this one. It's pretty good one. Wiggles and frame, basically also. So keep in mind, under now 12 cents 69 is just open space. Just literally open space. Nobody know where the sucking will stop. ADZ direction, market mode. We're in accumulation. Everything good. Everything okay, you know, because the whales, they needed time for accumulation. But keep in mind, for example, if the entry in average like 40 cents, 30 cents, at 60 cents, they will withdraw initial deposit and the fixed profit. So you will see the seller pressure. Direction will lay down at the bottom. Everything good. And also, guys, go to Dune, you know, and double check the fundamental metrics of Starknet. You will understand everything what they do, like touch, you know, it's just a marketing. Nobody use it in real life. Since the end of January, we are in capitulation zone. It's good. On a weekly, imagine take profit, trade on, buy, bounce, recommendation, close position, drop. No signal to buy or buy back or so. Last indicator was the not last indicator. The last signal here to sell was take profit, buy in average. So 22 cents. It's the average price. Now we hold a line at fundamental value of the stock in 12-hour time frame. I guess we can drop. Test again the buy line 12.16. Yesterday we got signals to buy and fundamental value 9.15. So this is what I wish to see. I wish to see the 9 or 10 cents, and after that recover move, fast recover move. Agent layer, guys, absolutely everything's still the same. So I highly recommend you go and check the first video about agent layer. What I posted, I don't know, around here. All zones absolutely relevant. So guys, this is absolutely the same feed, same model. So you can work with that now. Take a look how cool the agent layer playing out that time. You know, in November 2024 with 0.5 level by FEEP, the first zone to buy 160. And here you could add limit order at first swing trades, take profit zone, fix the profit, withdraw initial deposit. After that, we build the liquidity now. So you have to keep in mind all of this. We build a like liquidity. So this one, bam, sooner or later, we come back and close at least 50% of this one. So this is it. Believe you or not, I guess. Invalidation of this idea, invalidation level, it's 30 cents. Honestly, I don't think so. The agent layer will drop under 30 cents. Would be good to hold a line here, but up to your own risk, because keep in mind the potential scenario. So now we traded 82 cents, we can drop to 30 cents. Never say never. And the zone of fixation is still the same. So guys, you can see in the screen. So no makes sense to repeat absolutely the same information. So here was a signal to distribution. This is accumulation, biggest one. Nice. All these periods is accumulation. You can track it. It's a daily. Daily in the capitulation zone. Weekly, guys, yes, we're in accumulation, but not touch at the bottom. Direction, no data now. Market mood still in A3, so kind of bad. Highly recommend you, by the way, go and check the fundraising rounds for each token on CryptoRank totally for free. Money power will lay down at the bottom, but without a main money inflow on the weekly. Good one. Trade on, take profits. Trade on, no data. Daily. Finally, this was a sell drop 2 weeks ago. We got at the beginning of April. It's daily. 2nd April, we got the take profit signal from that sales. it's good one. So soon we will see the signal to buy. So I guess it can be from these current prices, like in this zone, higher, or it can be the drop, consolidation, even the sweep and go higher. So just in case, guys. But if you believe in agent layer, you can accumulate now here one like this one, 3 orders to buy, for example. But under 30 cents, it's open space. Nobody know where this second will stop. So up to your own risk, guys. From these current prices, if you took a risk, here going to be the 518. Pretty simple, guys. And yes, I believe the agent will show the new all-time high this year or next one. Just a matter of time. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what you think about agent layer. If you would like to trade with my customer Chris, I would show it in this video. Just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.